public now has accessed certain details that is coming out of what could have been said, the proposals of amendments that the centre will be giving to the farmers, that the farmers today will be deliberating upon. Now, sources telling your channel that the list of amendments that include the continuation of MSP, farmers can now go to court over contract farming. The centre will also give an approval for fast-track court, and then also the centre will be giving and approval to tax the private players. The centre will also approve the changes in the APMC Act. Going across to Anuj and Piyush, both who are joining us at this point, where we will be getting more details of the certain proposals that have been made, because Piyush, it has been cited absolutely clearly by the centre, even as the cabinet meeting which is currently underway, that there cannot be any rollback at any cost that will be happening. Yes, there will be talks, yes, there will be dialogues, and yes, there will be certain proposals that can be made so that they actually come to a meeting point, they come to a certain compromise.
Well, since beginning, we have seen that how government was telling to farmers that all these laws are in their favor. And now, again, government has now sent these 5 proposals. And what we are picking is that there could be some sort of amendment. And on these 5 points itself, before also we have seen meetings taking place at Vigyan Bhavan. We have also got the 5 points. Let's also tell to our viewers that how the government has now sent this proposal. And what we are picking is that in these 5 points, the government has made it very clear that MSP is not going anywhere. In fact, it will be strengthened. There will be some changes in APMC. Also, what is more important is that every private player needs to get himself registered. Every private player will have to be registered before doing any sort of, business dealings with the farmers. As far as contract farming is concerned, farmers can also move to courts, and also courts will be fast track. What is more important here is that private players will have to take permission, and also they will have to get themselves registered before getting into this business. So there are some sort of proposals on which the government has agreed on, and it has sent these proposals to the farmers. What we are picking is that at around 12 there will be a meeting also at Singhu border. What is more important here is that on these 5 proposals itself, there was a meeting which took place yesterday also with Home Minister Amit Shah of these farmers, and after that itself the farmers had said that they do not want anything, they want that all these laws should be repealed, all these laws should be taken back. Also, farmers were very much adamant that they will continue to protest if government does not listen to them. But government wanted to tell them that yes, it is ready for some amendments.
That's the point there, Piyush. That's the point there, because Anuj, the outreach program, because the government has been ready to hold any amount of talks with the farmer unions. Yesterday evening, suddenly a meeting was also called in. Today you have the farmers calling off the meeting at Vigyan Bhavan because no meeting that will be held between the farmers and the government. Now the proposal that will be given to the farmer leaders today, it will be deliberated upon that how far or how ahead that the farmers are ready to move when it comes to a certain compromise. For now, that needs to be reached.
Oh, well, exactly. If we understand the larger picture, then the points which has been elaborated by my colleague Piyush are the same points which are the demand and concern of the farmer. So that is something which has been looked up by the government, that you are nowhere going to be in trouble. We are listening to your concern, and that's why we saw all these meetings which happened at Vigyan Bhavan. That's why we saw that meeting which happened last night with Amit Shah. So all the points have been clearly taken by the government of India, and all these points had been sent to the Prime Minister also, and the discussion has been already done. Rather, at this point in time, the meeting is underway, but these are all the points and the concern which was raised by the farmers. When there was earlier discussion, let me tell you, these are the concern of the farmer that they were worried for. They were saying, when it was asked by the government of India that what exactly are the farmers' problems, so these are the list of the problems which has been taken and considered in these 5 points. So these 5 points are having all the concern of the farmer, and that has been taken care of by the government of India. Since from the day one, government of India is maintaining the same. If you have any problem, then we can sit on the table. Rather, we have seen how they sat on the table and the discussion has been already done. But point here is The government of India is making it
Absolutely.
very much clear that we are ready to take every of your question. We are ready to take your concern. We'll solve it out. But you need to understand what exactly the farmer bill is. And the politics which has been involved in the same need to be aside. Need to be aside very much. And the farmers need to understand that we are ready to talk
It
and we'll
means that
sort
how
out the...
far can the negotiations go up to? Piyush and Anush, thank you very much, both of you, for joining in, because the farmers so far have refused to accept the government's offer of amendment in the law, sticking to the demand for complete scrapping, where the government has made its point very clear